Hey babe, welcome back to the channel. I'm getting frustrated, okay? I'm really frustrated with doing this. My lips look crazy. So I'm filming the tutorial for this paneling behind us. And I'm getting ready to glue down the other side of this panel that I've already started, which I already started to video. So just bear with me. I'm gonna do the left hand side now, okay? So, y'all, this is some work, okay? But here we go. Put this there. I'm gonna try to turn it on this side. I may have to put both of the videos up. I don't know. Now I'm just pulling it. Other side of this side here. This is annoying. My hair all in my face. I just, But I was like, I gotta get this up, you know? Like I said, I'm trying to keep my word, even though it's later than I anticipated. I'm out of the frame right now, just trying to pull up my britches. Okay. So I have my glue gun here, and we're just gonna go down the length of this one. I might put up the first part of this video, because in the long run it's gonna end up being too long anyway, so I may just put that up still. I don't know, y'all. 16 inches was good across when you cut your fabric. 16 by 50 inches. 16 by 15. And this is a 48-inch board. Foam board that we're using for this project. So I was saying in the last video, I didn't think that I had enough inches on both sides, but I really did. So, that was good. I gotta put another glue stick in here. Hair all over the place. I got a dog that sheds, y'all, so. Woo! I mean, like y'all needed to know that, but hey. And also get you something to help you smooth out the fabric once you glue it down. Because the glue is it gets hot, so you could burn yourself doing this. And you probably want to put something down on your floor to kind of help you not get glue on your floor. I haven't yet gotten it on my floor, so I guess it's working out as well as it can. I have a craft table, but I got paint and stuff all over right now. I just think I got the crap in my hair. Pull it tight. Okay, so now what we're going to focus on is this edge right here. So I'm just going to, I think like this is fine. So you just pull it. Let me see if I can turn this over here some. this way so y'all can see. I'm hot. All right, so just pull it down towards you like that. Like the fabric is out like this straight, and then you want to pull it to you like this. And then I'm gonna hold that part right there, and then I'm gonna put some glue on it. On here. Put it down. You can get kind of messy with it because this part is going to be towards your wall or whatever when you hang it. And then you just pull over your other excess fabric and just pull it down like this. That's what I'm going to do. It does not have to be perfect. Just get it on there however you can, honey. It's still going to look nice and neat when you get finished anyway, so you could always cut some of the extra fabric off that's on here. Let me be careful before I get this stuff on my little carpet. And we're gonna now go to this end and shoot. We just, oh y'all. So I'm gonna do it like this. I'm gonna pull this part down. I got a tank going in there, going on, singing in there, I guess. So I'll take this part and just pull it down. I hope y'all can see. We can do another one of these kind of tutorials when I get my little setup going and everything. I could redo this because I don't know if y'all can really see what I'm doing or whatever. Just pull it. Oh shoot, pull it tight. That junk is hot. Dang, I think I had my hand directly on the glue instead of the, I can't see worth of nothing in here. So, let's see. I'm gonna use this to help me smooth it out. Let me just get some right here so I can glue that down. Use the glue gun, child. Smooth it down. I don't know if that's the best thing. Okay, so we got one corner now. I'm gonna go ahead and we'll do the other side, and I will be back with the finished board. Okay, 1 second. Hi, babe. I'm back. So this is the finished board that we did, and see how it looks. It looks to me it looks pretty seamless on the sides and everything. You can't really tell it's a big old mess in the back. This is what the back looks like. Let's see that. See that? So that is how you do your panels. And then to hang this, all I'm gonna do is move y'all a little bit so I can talk to you guys. There we go. There we go. So, okay, I'm gonna have a seat here. Shoot now. But yeah, so what I'm gonna do to hang this up is not much. I take a what do you call it? A push pin, and I carve out a little hole in the back, or whatever you can do to make an impression so that your pen can hang on to the thumbtack or whatever you call it. And then I just make a put the thumbtack in the wall and hang the panel on that. And then I'm also going to get, which I haven't done yet, so maybe I'll come back once I actually hang it, and show you guys how I did that. Listen, if you want to know or you want to see how I hung this up or how I hang it up, just let me know in the comment section below. Let me know if you guys like this. I know it was kind of like all over the place. Like I'm trying to find my footing with filming, and especially filming like a how-to or DIY and stuff. One day I'll have, you know, like a studio set up or whatever. But just let me know if you want to see how I hang it. It's not hard. I'm going to get some double-sided tape so that the back of it will like stick to the wall, because my other one is kind of like on the bottom part, it's kind of like out from the wall a little bit, and I want to, you know, prevent that. So I'm going to get some double-sided tape. You may even be able to, I don't know if oh, shoot, hold on y'all, my battery about to go dead. So I don't know if what was I saying? So I don't know if my dang, I lost my train of thought, thinking my phone was gonna go dead before I could finish this video. I would have been pissed. So I don't know if using double-sided tape will work, will like actually make it adhere to the wall where it won't fall off. But hell, you could try it. But I use a thumbtack to keep it up, and it's been up there for, I mean, almost a month now. So yeah, I know a thumbtack works, but the bottom of it, I'm gonna use double-sided two. So yeah, that was how I did my panel. I have like one more to make. I think I could fit two or three more up there, but I think I only bought 3 yards of fabric. So, and I cut them 16 by 50, 16 inches wide, 50 inches long. And that's enough. I was saying in the last video that I didn't think 16 inches was enough. Maybe you should cut 18, but 16 is enough. That was more than enough fabric for this 48-inch board. So yeah, let me know in the comments if you like this video, if you'd like to see more DIYs or whatever. So yeah, y'all, that's it. I'm kind of upset with myself just a little bit. But, you know, we'll talk about that in another video, because this one is already long enough with part 1 and part 2. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care of yourself until then. And things are always working out for you. Kisses. Mwah.